Hi, today we will learn how to make a dynamic block. Select Object and Right Block. Now select Object and open Block Editor. Now put a base point as you can see the line. Open Visibility State. Write all blocks name as you see. Now select the first option on Visibility States. Select the icon Make Invisible. Now select the second option in Visibility States. Make Invisible. Now select the block and move it to base point. Select the third option. Make Invisible. Select the block and move it to base point. Select the fourth option in Visibility States. Make Invisible. Select the block and move it to base point. Do the other blocks in the same way. Now close Block Editor. And this is the results. Thank you for watching. Let to giving me a like and subscribe to know the news.